So, let's begin. Well, so I am James Sutton, and I am an English teacher in Sao Paulo. This is David Chadwick.
Hello.
And it's the Legends of Comedy. So we're going to be talking about 4 great comedians. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Saúde.
Saúde. Ricky Gervais, Jerry Seinfeld, Robin Williams, and Jim Carrey. Why 4 middle-aged white men? Because women just aren't that funny. No reaction. No reaction.
Sorry. Apologies, I was a little bit in shock there. Ricky Gervais.
Slough is kind of a really dull town in England. I mean,
Have you been there?
It's funny because it's true.
Everyday
peculiarities.
Get that on the vocab.
Hey, Paul. Bottom line, man. Bottom line. You want me to pick strawberries?
Unbelievable.
Let me out!
Jerry Seinfeld. Just 2 friends getting coffee.
Awesome.
So, I'm slightly distracted because there's ants walking across my bit of paper here, and it's sort of distracting me as I read, but I managed to...
Comedy ants.
Just about, yeah. Comedy ants, just having a laugh. So, I think it's me again. So, Peter Pan.
Are we not here? Most likely to not succeed.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, made a good point.
So we're moving on to Robin Williams.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to introduce Robin.
Do you judge people by the way they name their children?
I'd like to say no. Come on, crack on.
Crack on. So,
Jim Carrey.
Jim Carrey, your turn.
Jim Carrey? Carey?
Jim Carrey.
We call him Carey.
Carrey.
Yeah.
Jim Carrey.
Double R though.
Okay, cheers man.
No worries. Take care.
Okay.
I'm gonna go pack.
Right, done. Cheers man.
I've never come over a little queer. It's an office joke that. You'll have to watch it.